Welcome back to my new video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a roti. I take atta and salt and amul butter, then mix it with your hand. Yes, mix it, mix. Yes. Mix it nicely and slowly. Now take hot water and pour it onto it. Yes. After pouring the hot water again, it is still dry. Now take more water. Take more water and just keep on mixing together till it gets smooth and steady. When water becomes too much wet, take again dry powder and just mix again it. It's very simple, it's a very easy step. Just see how does the atta becomes nicely and smoothly like a dough, perfectly to make a roti. Look, now it has come into a perfect shape after mixing up. It only takes about 1 minute, at least 2 minutes. Mix slowly. Wow, it's amazing. You can see it. It looks perfect, soft, very soft. If you do with hot water, it gets a little faster. It's very easy. After doing it, after making it dough smooth and soft, just let it there. Just keep cover for around 10 minutes, 5 minutes, like that. That can make it nicely. Yes, just keep it at it. Please do like my video and share with your friends. Please do subscribe my channel and help support me, please. Thank you. Keep watching.